If you wear good clothes, people will say, "Oh, he's a rich person." If you wear simple clothes, people, "Oh, he's a poor person." If you speak for yourself, then people say how rude he is, right? And if you keep quiet, people will say he's a coward person. Then all I mean to say, people have to say every time whether it is good or bad. So do whatever
Right.
you want to do in your life to make yourself happy. Okay, so hi Vijay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you doing?
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon, and thank you. Thank you for having me here in this session and in your channel.
And how are you? How about you? How's life is treating you?
Life treating me up pretty good, and I'm doing well in my life. And ma'am,
Mhm.
what about you?
I'm great. Thank you so much for your kind concern. I would say I'm pink in the health because I took a long break from this YouTube channel because I just want to make myself refresh, energetic. So I went for a Uttarakhand tour and I'm feeling as fresh as Daisy. Over
Okay.
the moon, I would say. Okay, so before we jump into the conversation, would you mind to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. First of all, ma'am, thank you for having me this opportunity to introduce
Yes.
myself. And my name is Vijay, and I am connecting with you from Uttarakhand. And I have completed my graduation from Bachelor of Arts. And currently, I'm taking my Bachelor of Physical Education department. And if
Mm-hmm.
I talk about my hobbies, I love to play football and traveling. Along with, I am learning this language. That's all about me.
Great, enduring. Enduring, why I'm saying it because you just said that you are from Uttarakhand and I'm also belong to Uttarakhand. Now tell me which part, I mean Garhwal or Kumaon, which part you belong to?
I belongs to Kumaon region, and my district name is Pithora.
That's great. Me too. Same here. I'm also belong to Kumaon region and my district is Almora.
Okay, it's near to my district, I guess.
Yes, yes. So again, I am meeting with the person who is from my community, and I feel very happy, delighted when I connect with my community.
Yeah,
So how
ma'am. Same.
how you are feeling right now?
Like, ma'am, I'm getting goosebumps on my hands. Like
Okay. Mm-hmm.
like people, when we connect with people from our community, on that time we feel more energetic and more comfortable as well.
Mm. Yes. So why are you feeling so energetic and comfortable? Do you feel
Because
like that you have the same mentality somewhere?
somewhere we have the same mentality and somewhere we get the same vibes and energy.
Hmm. Okay, so tell me one, the simple question I'm asking, why are you learning this language? Simple question.
I'm mm, like since my childhood I have desire to learn this language. That's the first thing. But
Mm-hmm.
when you belong to some rural areas, so it's difficult to learn this language.
Of course. Mm-hmm.
But now, when I completed my studies, when I came through in this age, I know a lot about this language, how important in this language. No matter for what, like, no matter for what job you are preparing for. So
Okay.
for me, like, I love to interact with people in this language. When I thought about learn to interact with in this language, I enjoyed a lot, and I'm also looking for a job. So that's also the main reason why I'm
O-
learning this language.
Okay, for your job purpose, you are learning this language, right? Okay, let's break the ice here. I'll give you a small topic, a word. Tell me something about, happiness. What is happiness for you? And how do you make yourself cheerful when you feel like hit by low?
Okay, ma'am. For me, happiness is all about your mental health,
Yeah.
and not only mental health. The first priority is belongs to a mental health,
Uh-huh.
and one is your physical health, and the third one is how emotionally strong you are. And
Emotion. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
and if I talk about my like how I handle when I
Mm-hmm.
was, so I do those things which makes me happy. Like I love
Mm-hmm.
to play football. So when I just think about that, and I just go and went to in the ground to play football, and on that time I feel more energetic, more confident, and somewhere I feel happiness also. So that's
Mm-hmm.
I do.
Great. It's very important to make yourself cheerful. If I talk about myself, when I feel like hit by low, I dance a lot. I talk with the person. I don't want to keep myself quiet. I don't want to bite my tongue. You know, if I will not speak, if I will not utter a single word, I feel like you know something is hiding inside me. So I
Right.
just want to bust it out.
Right.
Yes. Okay. Great. So then, yes, you want to ask me something?
The first priority is if you are happy, then you can do anything.
Yes, yes, that's very important. If you are happy, then you can make other people happy, right? If you are not happy inside, then how can you make other people happy? How can you make other people gratify? Although it is not necessary to get that validation from the people, right? What is most important to make yourself uplift, happy in this world, right? Doesn't matter what people are saying, but because people have to say every time. Let me just give you example, right? If you wear good clothes, people will say, oh, he's a rich person. If you wear simple clothes, people, oh, he's a poor person. If you speak for yourself, then people say how rude he is, right? And if you keep quiet, people will say he's a coward person. Then all I mean to say, people have to say every time whether it is good or bad. So do whatever
Right.
you want to do in your life to make yourself happy.
Yes, ma'am. You are absolutely right. It's our choice to be happy or be unhappy. It's all depend on us.
Or
How
I
we
would say
take.
it is, or I would say it is a state of mind.
Right. Right.
So
Absolutely.
tell me, how I mean, like I said there, it is a state of mind, right? So do you agree on this point?
Yeah, ma'am. Definitely, because what you think, what you
Huh?
become. Right?
Well said.
And if you think the positive way in the negative way, then definitely the things are in the positive way. You see
Hmm.
those things on the positive way, and somewhere it's affect on your mind. It's
Hmm.
affect your mind and happiness all as well. So
Yes.
it's up to you how you see the things.
Hmm.
So
Yeah. Well said. Well said. The way you think, the way you will become, right? It's absolutely indeed. And what on top of that, I believe your mind is like a magnet, right? If you attract towards the good things will come to you. If you attract towards the bad things come to you. So right. So I would say, and on top of that, positivity is not all about accepting the good things in your life. You have to accept your life the way it is.
yes, ma'am, definitely, ma'am, because life is not goes on your favor every
Yes.
time. It's all
Yes.
it's all up to us, like how we deal with that situation and that things. Yeah.
Yes. You know, people always complain why it is happening with me. I haven't done anything bad with anyone, but why this time is keep testing of my patience. We need to understand that, the suffering is universal.
Right.
I mean to say everyone is suffering. Everyone is suffering,
Right.
right? So blaming yourself and giving name to yourself, it's not good. At the end, you are giving a negative vibration to your brain.
as as I see, you are very like you understand people very well, and you mm,
Okay.
I can see what I mean to say,
Hmm.
have the very good observing. mm,
Okay. Yes. I can observe the people. Yes.
you are a very good observer,
Yes.
and you I'm not feeling like I'm connected to you first time. Somewhere it's also depends on people who in front of people. If the in front of people give you a good vibe, then you feel like you are not
Yes.
connecting with you first time. So
Yes.
how do you do that? What the things?
Hmm. I would say it's an innate quality in me. I observe the people quickly because somewhere down the line, I would like to give the credit to my listening skill. I listen a lot, I observe a lot. To improve my language, to improve my communication skill, I listen a lot the podcast.
Okay.
So I become a good observer due to my listening skill. And second thing, like I told you, that's an innate quality in me. I feel instant connection with the person if I am connecting with anyone.
Right.
I can
So ma'am,
observe the people very well.
okay, so is like it's you got the by the genetic like
Yes, yes, that's why I'm saying it's an innate quality. मतलब जन्म जात innate का मतलब है जन्म से मतलब by but I have that quality.
okay. So
Uh,
ma'am, by quality, is that possible? We can develop who don't have the this quality, they can develop
yes,
as well.
of course, of course. See, on this social media, I don't want to discuss about my trial and tribulation, my difficult life of period. Of course, I'm a human being. Like I told you, suffering is a universal, right? Suffering is universal. Everyone has to face and everyone has to tackle its own challenges of life. I also tackled, I also went through the trial and tribulation, difficult phase of my life. Through
Right.
my life difficulties, I learned how to observe the people. So, through your experience, through your challenges, you will become a mature person.
Right.
Maturity does not come by the age. It comes by your experience. It comes by how you gone through your life.
Right.
Right? So, do you really think that maturity comes by experience?
Yeah, ma'am, I believe that maturity comes by experience, not by age. Because,
Hmm.
like, when I pass
Oh,
from some,
responsibility, yes. One more thing, maturity comes by the experience and the responsibilities.
yeah,
Right?
ma'am, whenever I pass through from some streets and I saw some a little boy and he's begging and he taking the responsibilities of their family in the early age of.
Mhm.
So on that time, I feel somewhere I feel like maturity is not all about the age. It's all about
Yes.
the
Yes. Well said. It doesn't care about your age. It only care about your responsibility and your hard work and hardship experience in life.
right.
Right? So this is maturity. So are you a mature person?
Yeah. Somewhere I feel not. I I'm not. Still, I'm not mature person. I guess.
Why? But I can see that you are a mature person. That is, I can read on your face. I feel like it. I can feel that you are a
Yeah.
mature person.
Yeah, but I'm on that path to become a mature. I'm not totally mature.
Yes,
I'm trying.
maturity is not like that. You have to it comes on daily basis.
Right.
It is not like that you are a mature person, 100% mature person. No, because every day we learn something,
Right.
and when we learn something, then we become mature person, right? So
Right.
till the end of your life, it is a process. It is a cycle to be a mature person,
Right.
right? Okay, great. So what do you do to improve your? Let's just talk about English. We talk a lot, right? So tell me, what do you do to improve your English?
Okay, ma'am. Whenever I woke up and whenever I got the chance, so I just listen. I start my day with listening some English videos and podcasts.
Okay, great.
And the second thing is I just wrote down some vocabularies.
Mm-hmm.
Often I do that, but whenever I didn't remember the meaning of the exact word, so I wrote down. And the
Mm-hmm.
third one, which I believe this is the main thing in this application, I connected with people. Not in this application, where is it possible? I just try to connect with them.
Mm-hmm.
We have to deal with the peoples. We have to speak.
Hmm. Yes, yes. So, it is a great great source to connect with the people. When you connect with the people, you strengthen your personality, right? You boost up your confidence because you are connecting with a different mindset,
Right.
right? And you observe the personality.
Right.
Yes. Okay. So on this positive note, Vijay, let's just wind up the session and keep the momentum of your learning. Keep learning because learning has power to change your destiny.
Right, man.
Right?
Definitely.
Yes. And have a great day. Take care.
Same to you, ma'am. I loved and I enjoyed this conversation with you, and hope we will connect in future, as you said.
Yes, 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 definitely. Till time. Have a great day and bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Take care. Goodbye. Have